This is that's
Yeah,
flashy.
we're gonna be here until Monday morning. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
There's a fold-out type thing for him. Oh, look at her.
This is our baby girl.
Oh, you're taping her on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. It's
Look
not so
at you.
bright. She's so cute. Huh?
And here's the one that
Yeah.
shoved her out.
Hi.
She's still pretty after not sleeping for 2 days
We
and giving
have-
birth to a little baby girl.
We have our video camera, but it's in our car, so we'll have to get all that stuff. Look at how cute she is. She's so tiny.
Not sure why I can't zoom in and out right now.
Alright.
But...
I
Look
know.
at you. Are you trying to smile already
Same
for the
with
camera?
The doctor too. I was like,
Smile for the camera.
look at she. Yeah, this epidural was great. That's all I know.